Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to replace the idler pulley on an M112 and M113 Mercedes-Benz engine. All you need are a 17mm socket, a T50 starbit, a breaker bar or long wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and some thread locker, blue Loctite, and really release the tension on the belt tensioner. It's very easy. Just move the belt aside, and then using a T50 starbit, well, first with the flathead screwdriver remove the cap from the idler pulley. And then with a T50 bit, undo the long bolt that holds the pulley to the case. Now this is a maintenance item. It's very cheap, $5 or so as of April 2020 from FCP Euro. I really highly recommend that you replace this every 30,000 miles or so. The belt tensioner, I have another video for that, maybe every 60,000 miles, but definitely every 30,000 miles replace it. It's an easy and simple job to do, and it's very cheap. And then once you've removed the bolt, just apply some Loctite, blue Loctite to it, and put it back in, and screw it by hand just a little bit. And then with a torque wrench, torque it to 25 Newton meters. Then put the cap back on and release the tension again. As you put the belt back on, I have a diagram at the end of this video, and that's it. Hope you find this video of use, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.